Hello everyone, welcome to ThinkComputer YouTube channel. In this video we will learn how we can download and install MySQL community server. So open your web browser. In the search box type MySQL community installer. You need to go to the first link. Make sure it is taking you to MySQL website only. So you need to select the MSI file. Okay. And it will show 32-bit, but it will work on both 32-bit and 64-bit systems. This is version 8.0.31. When you will download, if a newer version will come, then you may download that. The file size right now is showing 431.7 MB. Click on the download button. Then it will take you to this page where it will ask you to log in or sign up, but you can just download by clicking on this button over here. So now the download has started. So after the setup has been downloaded, click here. It will start the installer. It will take some time to load. Now the installer is opening. So you need to click on developer default and then click on next. Again click on next, click on yes. These are the components which will be installed. Just click on execute. So when you install MySQL, it not only installs the SQL server, but along with that it also installs Workbench, Shell, Router, ODBC, C++ connectors, JConnector, .NET connector, Python connectors, and some documentations. So click on next 2 times, let it be same, next, next again. So now you need to enter a password for the root permission. So root access is required every time you connect to the database, and you can also add additional user accounts. Click on add user. You need to enter a name for the user account. I am writing ThinkComputer. Then enter password again. Please note that it is not compulsory to add another user account. You can use the database only with the root access. So click on OK. Now click on next, and this is your Windows service name. It will run in the services, you can find it from there, and SQL server will automatically start with the Windows. So click on next, click on execute. Now the installer will execute all the scripts and also initialize the database. You just need to click on finish. Again click on next, then click on finish. Again click on next. Now you need to enter the password you had entered and check the connection. If it is successful, then you can proceed. Next, then execute. That's configuring the database. That is done. Click on finish. Click on next again, then click on finish. So you will be using the SQL Workbench for connecting to the database. You can also use the command prompt. So click here and enter your root password. Click on OK. Then it will connect to the database. Okay. So this is your application, Workbench application, where you will be entering all the commands. Okay. So SQL code you will be writing here. I am just trying one command for checking the databases. So when I click on this execute, yes, the databases are showing. That means the connection is successful and it's working. SQL server is running in the background now.